These two, oh, he's so cute. He's too dangerous in there. Just in case you get hurt, use this to help you recover. The entrance in the Wheel of Fortune is behind the waterfall. What do Japanese frogs say? Kara? Kara kara? Kara kara? That's what they say. They go kara kara kara. Frog, you're the frog expert. Do they go kara kara kara? Oh, I've been here before. I want to wear a different outfit. I love dress up. You're right, we should just play dress up. I don't have my fairy pinned to an outfit yet. I can only have 4 outfits, are you serious? Okay, well Tanuki's going. Bye. Everyone say goodbye, Tanuki. And we're replacing Tanuki with Fairy Princess. Oh god, are we? What is this? Dreamy Hope. Dreamy's your hope. Oh, what about this one? That one's really cute actually. I like them all. No, go, give me that. And then, what is this? Ooh, sure. I have little elf ears. Yeah, that's so hot. I love it. What's this? Take it off. Take that off. What do you think you're doing, babe? This one? What about this one? Probably. I have all of the stuff for the other fairy thing. Karu. Like the Japanese ribbit. Except for the dress. I don't have the dress. Give me wings. Take that off. Give me that, that's so cute. Yeah, okay. That one. Oh, I have this one now, don't I? No, this one's cuter. Oh, I have little wings. They don't really fit though. Whatever. Same. Okay, we're a fairy princess now. Cheapest to have inline mics, the stupid ones on my cable. What if I just cut it off? I'm an electrician, I could cut it off. Hit them with magic. Oh, did I just die? Maybe. I got some more tea. I forgot that my redeems don't work here. Hello, strange human. We are the Kroger family that has been guarding the power system for generations, Robert. Okay, bye. Can I have your umbrella? Your umbrella's really cute. It's a froggy umbrella. Bye-bye, froggy. Okay, so these guys like guard the sewers. Cute. The power system broke down all of a sudden, so everything in the well is a mess now. We're all confused. Me too, man. Oh, hi Kroger. Is your name just Kroger? The power went out all of a sudden. I can barely see the darkest spots in the well. I can't even work on my graffiti properly. That's some cute graffiti. Good job. my 10 frogs. They're gorgeous. I'm a froggy and giant. I have a froggy outfit. It's really cute. I have like a little froggy hoodie and a little froggy hat, and little froggy socks, and a little froggy ring. There's a dress I really want. Wait, I want to show you. I want this dress so bad. You're not allowed to bully me, okay? I'm sharing my interests. I mean, you already know I like pretty dresses, judging just by the game. A lot of people don't like this fashion, but like, again, this is the game I'm playing. Like, well, let me tab out. Shit. There we go. Okay. I think it's so gorgeous. Frog. Oh, I hope they still even have it in stock because I never got a photo of it. It's a JSK. Oh my god, there it is. Yeah, I found it. Ah, that's so cute. Oh, they added more to the collection. Oh, you're fucking with me. Oh, you're fucking with me. Stop. Wait, does this dox me? Wait, I gotta check if this doxes me. It says my exact shipping location. I get so much of my clothes from here. It's not even funny. Look at that. Look how cute that is. I want it so badly. And like, I've gotten heaps of clothes from here before, and the fact that it's $31, like there is shipping on top of that, but like the quality is so good as well. Like the quality is actually kind of insane. Like for what it, like, nah, that's insane. But look, oh, it's a froggy hoodie. Oh, I want it. I want it so bad. Okay, power emitting sparks in rear pet, sure. Equip the electrician a bit, sure. The user of pet, I'll figure it out. Okay, prepare to be electrician. I'm not qualified for this. Oh, what is this? Stop, stop. Okay, you know what? It's fine. This can't be hard. Well. And then I get a piece. And then I get a piece. Wow. Wow. Surely winter clothes. Oh yeah, no, we would die here in summer. That's why I need to move somewhere colder. So like, because I have so many pretty dresses and that are all like really heavily layered. Like I have petticoats on top of petticoats and I can't really wear them like half of them. Wait, I want to go this way. Oh. She's really an electrician. Is that what electricians do when they come over and like fix my teeth? Oh wait, no, that's the cable guy. The foxtail cable guy. I don't feel like he fixes anything. I feel like he just like breaks shit. At least my plumber does. I swear to god, my plumber hates me. Like he'll come over and every time he fixes something, something else plumbing related conveniently breaks. That's dodgy as hell, right? What is happening? I'm down for it. It's over here. Bye guys. That's very, yeah, I thought so. That's sus as hell, right? And it's happened like enough times for me to go, okay, so we're purposely doing it. But it's so hard to find handyman these days. Like, people need to get more into trade, please. Everyone's like, oh, go to uni, la la, become like a, I don't know, scientist or something like I did. No. Don't. I should have gone into plumbing. I'd have been a billionaire. With like that many clients because there's like one plumber. Plumbing's time. Hi, Crocker. Our ancestors said that humans built all the facilities in the Wheel of Fortune. Humans can build things much bigger than themselves. Isn't that amazing? Silence, frog. I think you're better. This is just like Mario. Nintendo was training a sniper on the street. Can I get down there? I should probably go talk to that other guy. Oh, look at the froggy lights. That's so cute. I love this game. It's so cute. Jim's plumbing, but yeah. Like, Jim should not be qualified in that many things. Like, he needs to calm down. If you want to get to the other side, simply hop on the lotus leaves. But, is that a lotus? I don't think that, you know what, sure, whatever you want it to be. But avoid getting hit by the Monroe fit, Marilyn Monroe? It can hurt a lot. Wait, she wants to bubble me? Oh. What if I don't want to be bubbled? Oh, she looks like that. This is just like Mario. Okay. That's a big man.
Yep. That brook is surrounded by Monroe fins. It looks dangerous. What do we do, Nikki?
They're just fish. Eat them.
We've got to save it. Let's go.
Him? Save him? Not it? Wait, just because it's a frog is it, huh? It could be a whole ass person. Repair. Okay. Hang on. Silence, Haru. I'm being qualified for something. Who knew being an electrician was that easy?
Something's changed, Ribbit.
Yeah? You reckon? Okay, where's the... Okay. Who's texting me my little ring-a-ling-ding? Let me turn that off. Okay. Prepared to be repaired? Oh my god, this is saying I tapped out. It's literally me. This way. This way. I am so smart. I have so many IQs. So many IQs can fit in this bad boy. Oh, he's so cute. Oh wait, he's cute as hell. I love him. Okay. Where else can I go? Are we friends now? He eats me. Wanna talk?
Thanks a lot, human girl. Ribbit.
No problem. I'm Nikki. I'm here to fix the power system.
Perfect. Finally some help, Ribbit. The main power switch is in the deepest part of the well, Ribbit. Turn it on and everything will return to normal, Ribbit.
Where's Froggy Bumhole?
It's right up there, Ribbit.
Aw, he's a gentleman. Wait, but what if I want to go over here first? Bye. Okay, goodbye for real this time. The hell was that? There we go. Okay. I want to go over here. All the pipes are froggy shaped, as they should be. Bye. With the froggy graffiti. Oh.
Yep.
I love the froggy aesthetic. Oh, wait, I can go over there. I want to go over there. I didn't notice that there. How did I never notice that? Can I get up there? I have to be able to. Yeah. The Monroe family picked up a strange fish bottle and suddenly went berserk. It not only scared away all the fish, but also destroyed the main power source. What is the power source? Is it frog powered? It's croak powered, let's be real. Oh, I want to live here. Thank you, care of all the flowers in this room, Ribbit. Watering them is the highlight of my day, Ribbit. I do frog noises, but I think my throat would never recover. As it is, I'm talking way too much. Like, I don't know how people do it. Like, I'm a yapper. I'm so good at it. You know, if I'm quiet for a long period of time, something's like seriously wrong with me. Like, check my calls. Let me up.
Yep. Hey. Ho.
Okay. Oh, hey, I'm back here. Maybe.
Yeah.
I pressed a button. Select the consumables. Go into the quick bar. Equip. Oh. What's this? Equip. I don't know how to use those. I'll figure it out. Oh. Wait, Alex, it's fine. Don't worry about it. The collecting noise makes me so happy. I'm a very good singer, Ribbit. Ribbit, 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 Ribbit. Yeah, you are handsome. Oh, he's a big boy. Little Croaker. Hi, little Croaker. Good day, human. Ribbit. Hello there, I'm Nikki. I'm here to help you with the power system. May I ask you a few questions? Of course, my lord. Why did it fail? The biggest Monroe fan came across a suspicious-looking wish bottle, and then it went bonkers. It led the other Monroe fans on a rampage. Okay, so fishies are causing problems. If the surrounding power supplies can be fixed with the main switch turn. Is the game music too loud, by the way? Is my moderator here this time? Are you here? Crown. Is the game audio way too loud? Music's a little loud, thank you. Let's turn it down a little. Put it like that. Okay, it should be a bit better now. No, because it was like getting loud for me, but like everything's too loud for me. I normally, this is really bad. The first thing I do to your volume music is, you know, exactly, we want to base on my volume, like people want, yeah, my volume please. The first thing I do in games is turn music off when I'm playing games of my own. How do I get over that? Is it still too loud? It's been ages since I've seen a stranger around here. I've been practicing human language. I think I'm getting pretty good at it. You're doing amazing, sweetie. What is that? A cool noodle thingy. It's fine now, thank you. What is this? It's really cute though. There's more rain things.
Yup.
I can't make it up there. But I can make it here. What's that say? Nothing, I can't read. Oh, my phone went off, that scared me. Ba-da-dum. Oh. Oh, let me tap out, please. I'm begging. Oh, you're getting all the PC ba-da-dum noises. Okay. Oh, wait, how did I not say that? Okay. And there's one back over here I missed. Let's go. We're going well diving. Give it to me. It's really hard to aim that. Okay. You're right, it is dark. Watch me, I'm a repairman. Hi. It's quiet time for me. Wait. There. Hi, Zoom home. How's streaming? Stream's been good. I haven't completely killed my voice yet. I can still talk quite a bit. Okay, now the Marilyn Monroe fish. They're kind of cute looking though. This is just like my opinion. It's not because I don't want to get sued by Nintendo because I just said that. Not because I made the game, but because I said it. But I'm in the froggy area. I love froggies. Do it, coward. Oh my god. It's alright, it doesn't kill me. What's that over there? If you want to take a lotus leaf boat to the other side of the river, there's a lotus leaf boat. Oh, yeah, put me on the lily pad boat. Lily, boat me. Boat me, boat me. Oh my god, do you think this game has a froggy outfit? If there was a froggy outfit, I'd be so happy. Talk to me.
I run the Lotus Leaf Boat, Ribbit. Want to take it to the other side, Ribbit?
Yes.
No problem, Ribbit.
Thanks, Ribbit. Float me up, Buttercup.
Everyone over here! It's time to go, Ribbit!
Oh, I love them. Take me. Ooh, ooh. Oh, what's over there? Oh, wait, there's stuff over there. How about this? Can I make it? I don't think I can make that. Okay, I see what the thing is. Can you take me back? Okay. I definitely can't make it up there. the stars are so cute. Oh my god, wait, the boat's not there. Oh no. Oh, I've made a boo-boo. You know what? No, it's fine. It's just... See? I can always jump away from it, but I think I can. Hi, Croker. The main power supply is in the room ahead. It's very dangerous, so be careful. Whatever, nerd. Oh. What is that? Oh my. It is Marilyn Monroe. I love it. Why does she look like... Oh, she looks like the Barbie animals from The Island Princess. Yes, wait, you're gonna see exactly what I mean. She looks like the elephant from The Island Princess. It's gonna be worth it. Is quiet? What's quiet? Oh, the way that's so funny. She looks like this elephant. That's the same animal. What are you talking about? Bird from Mario. See, I don't want to get those by the Nintendo assassins. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore all of this and go forwards. No, I'm too quick. You can't stop me. What am I supposed to do with that? I'm just going. But I can kill myself. Oh, I should have waited. You think I have the brain power to time something right now? Stop it. I'm just gonna beat her. If I beat her, I'm fine. But I want this. No, I'm too quick. The jazz stars. Oh no, I'm gonna die. No, I'm so good. I think I died. No! Just like it. Not the fun machine. Oh. He just gets up like it's a mech. She dies? We killed her. Chat, we killed her. She's dead. I like the way he claps. Get flushed, idiot.
Thank you so much for helping us fix the power system,
I will be the frog queen. Queen of the frog
Yes, this sketch is a token of our gratitude. Here you go,
Please be
Ribbit.
frog related. Please be frog related. Please be
Come
frog
visit
related.
us anytime, Ribbit.
It's yawning time. It's frog related. They should have made it cuter, but it's cute. I'll accept it. No. Toka sent a message. Who's that? Eureka. What's that? Any Eurekas you obtain will be kept here. Yeah? Click here to upgrade.